In this short video tutorial, we'll understand how to print a hello world string on the console window by using the C programming language. When you start learning any programming language, the very first program that you learn to write is the hello world program. So let's see how you can write a very simple hello world program using the C programming language. The very first step when you have to write a very basic program using C is to include some header files. The header files contains predefined functions that you can use in your program. So over here, we are including a header file called stdio. By stdio, we mean it's the standard input output header file. So this header file contains functions that can help you perform basic input output operations. For example, if you want to print a string on the console window, so that is a very basic output operation. So that function which you will be using to print on the screen is defined in this header file. So that is why we are including this header file in our program. When the compiler will compile our program, the compiler will first include this file into our program so that it can understand the functions that we will be using which belong to this header file. So now we have included the standard input output header file. Now let's create the body of the main function. As I discussed in one of the previous videos also, that the main function is one of the most important functions in C. Any program that you write using the C programming language, you have to write the main function in that program. So the main function acts as the starting point of your program. So inside the main function, we will be using the printf function. Now the printf function is defined in the standard input output header file, and the printf function is used to print any string on the console window. Let me zoom in a bit. So the printf function, notice the syntax, it's written as print then f, and it's all written in small case. Remember that the C programming language is a case sensitive language. So if you write anything in small or in small case or in capital case, so those things will be treated as separately by the C compiler. So the printf function, which we have been given by the stdio.h header file, can accept a string input. So let's give it a simple string input, hello world. So over here we are asking the printf function to print our string hello world on the console window. Anything that is written inside the double quotes is treated as a string in the C programming language. So if we run our program, you will notice that it will print the string hello world on the screen. So this is the program, this is the output of our program, and notice that it has printed the string hello world on the console window. So this is how you can use the printf function to print any string on the console window by making use of the C programming language. So with this, we'll end this short tutorial here. To access our complete C programming course, please visit openeschool.com/learnc. Also, please subscribe to our channel to get regular updates on the new videos that we post.